Nokia E90 UpperBlock disassembly and assembly, you will need the Nokia Standard 2 OKit version 2. Also refer the General Mechanical Guideline video for additional hints about the tools and component handling. Open the assembly. Peel up the PDA logo plate with the dental pick. Discard the logo plate. Do not use it again when reassemble. Unscrew the 3 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown. Do not use them again when reassemble. Close the assembly again. Lift up the cover at the hinge side. Move it away from the hinge side. Now it can be removed easily. Remove the CMTK mate. Lift up the LCD. Carefully open the flex connector of the display with the SS93. Ease out the glued-in earpiece with the SS93. Discard it. Do not use this part again when reassemble. Unscrew these 2 Torx Plus size 4 screws. Discard them. Do not use them again. Gently lever up the flex connector of the large LCD. Open the assembly. Lift up the C cover, beginning at the QWERTY mate side. It is important to protect the surface with a piece of cloth before continue. Flip over both parts of the hinge. Now turn the chassis assembly. Be double carefully while opening these 2 micro-coax harness connectors. It is very important not to bend these connectors while opening. Otherwise the connectors becomes unusable. Now the chassis assembly can be removed. The disassembly procedure is now complete. Assembly. Bring the hinge parts in the position shown. Fit the C cover. Note the correct alignment to the mounting parts of the hinge. Flip over the C cover assembly together with the mounting parts of the hinge. Now place the chassis assembly. Close both micro-coax harness connector. Check for correct fitting of the connectors before going on. Close the LCD connector. Use the short ones of the screws. Insert the 2 screws. Set the correct torque. Apply the torque to the screws in the shown order. Place the LCD. Close the flex foil connector. touch the LCD at the shown edge only. Otherwise the delicate driver of the display will be damaged and becomes unusable. Place the CMTK mate. Place the new earpiece into the cover assembly. Carefully push it down at the plastic frame with the SS93 as shown. Never push at the metal capsule, otherwise it will be impressed and the EF speaker becomes unusable. Place the cover assembly, beginning at the opposite side of the hinge. Do not mismatch these screws. Place this short screw in the middle and these longer ones at both edges of the cover assembly. Set the correct torque. Apply the correct torque in the order shown. Align the new PDA logo plate first. Then smooth it down evenly.